Hi guys, welcome back to Andre's Online Learning School. In today's French lesson, we are going to talk about 7 expressions that you can use to sound French in order to express interest. So, let's start, shall we? The first one that we're going to take a look at is Je m'intéresse à, which means actually I am interested in. It is usually followed by an articulated noun or a verb that expresses an action. For example, je m'intéresse à pratiquer la natation, which means I am interested in practicing swimming. Another expression that you could use is ça m'intéresse, which actually means that interests me. If you want to express your interest in a specific subject, this phrase is a great way to do it. It conveys a sense of curiosity and eagerness to learn more about the subject. It is used more as a remark, so as a full sentence of its own, but additionally, you can use it in the following form. A concept that is described with a comma, then ça m'intéresse. For example, le sport, ça m'intéresse. That would mean the sport or sports, I am interested in that. The third expression for our list is je suis curieux ou curieuse, which means I am curious. If you want to express your curiosity about a subject, this phrase is the best. It conveys a sense of eagerness and a desire to learn more about the topic and actual interest in what that person is talking to you. It is generally used when followed by the preposition de. We followed after that by a description of a concept. For example, je suis curieux de savoir comment parler le français, which actually means I'm curious to know how to talk French or how to speak in French. Number 4, je voudrais en savoir plus. I would like to know more. If you want to express your interest in learning more about a subject, this phrase is the way to go. It conveys a sense of curiosity and eagerness to learn more. It involves you actually in the learning of that topic. So, and is also a great way to ask for more information about a certain topic. It is usually used on its own after a detailed description of a concept or after something that was already described. For example, la langue française me plaît beaucoup. Je voudrais en savoir plus. Which actually means the French language. I actually like a lot of the French language. I want to know more about it. Okay, so basically, you have to first describe the concept and then use je voudrais en savoir plus. Number 5, cela me passionne. That fascinates me. If you want to impress someone and also make your conversation more engaging, you should definitely use this phrase. It conveys a sense of fascination and eagerness about the topic that you're talking about, and it is used in the same way as ça m'intéresse on its own. Number 6, je suis intéressé par, which actually means also I am interested in, okay? And lastly, you could say je suis avide de connaissances, which means I am eager for knowledge. You could say that this is more of a harder way to express this, but it is a little bit more advanced. And also, it actually can be used with a more advanced expression, en ce qui concerne, or a form that is also a bit more advanced. It is the gerund form of the verb concerner, which is concernant. So, followed by a concept description. So, for an example of this sentence, of this expression being used in a French conversation could be Je suis avide de connaissances concernant la langue française. Or, je suis avide de connaissances en ce qui concerne le français. Those sentences both mean that I am eager to gain knowledge in what concerns the French language. Well, those are the 7 expressions that you can use in your daily French conversations, and subscribe to know more about vocabulary, grammar in French, English, and also to learn many, many more things. For now, bye bye.